What's up, Texas shooters? Alright, this is my first official video ever. So today I'm gonna show y'all how we're gonna clean our guns today. If you've never really cleaned your guns or you're new to firearms, cleaning your guns really ain't that scary. I know you can sit there and think like, oh, what if I mess my gun up? I don't know how to put it back together, whatever, all these crazy thoughts. It's really not that hard. I'm gonna explain it to y'all. Just let y'all know. Working with the empty firearm, both of them. Alright, so they both empty. So what you want to do, first things first, treat all firearms like if they're loaded. Don't play with guns, take them serious. They're not toys. So what you want to do is, you got one of these on each side. You gotta get your slide bat and pull both of them down at the same time. You might have to pull your trigger, so that's why you want to make sure you're working with the empty firearm. See that? You got your slide, you got your frame. Right here is your recoil spring. What you want to do, don't let it go, but slowly let it out. Take that off. And then you got your barrel. Lift this right here and pull it out. You got your barrel, your slide, your spring. It's not real hard to put these back together either. So when you clean these, you want to have a brush, a good wire brush or something, some oil, and a towel or something. So what you do, you want to get a brush, you want to get in there real good. Because firearms get dirty even if they just sit in there. It don't matter if you shoot them or if you don't, they get dirty. So you really want to scrub. You don't got to go too crazy, but a clean firearm is a good firearm. Give it a little scrub. Get all that dirt and dust off of it. You really want to get in there. You don't want to make sure you don't miss anything. Our life depends on these at the end of the day. So you really want to take care of your guns. You don't want to be in one of them situations where you don't clean your guns and it jams up on you when you need it the most. Gotta look it right. Yeah, same thing with your slide. Not too dirty. I want to make sure y'all get in here. Now, when it comes down to oiling the gun, you don't want to go crazy with the oil, because too much oil can ruin your firearm. So you don't want to be pouring the whole thing on your gun. You just want to apply a few drops. I don't know specifically how much oil you're supposed to put, but I put enough to where it runs smoothly. So that's all what really matters. I kind of just spread it. I like my gun lubed up. After a period of time, it will probably eventually dry up a little bit. But as long as you really don't have your gun crusty, dirty, and neglected, you should be alright. I'm gonna try to have more shooting videos coming out soon. I need to just try to really hit the range. And the recoil spring, same thing. Kind of just give it a little scrub down. Sorry if it's dark in here. Need to get better lighting. You really want to get the spring. The spring be getting real dirty. I don't know if it's just me but I noticed that the spring gets dirty. And you want to make sure that you put it back the way you took it apart. Because, you don't want to put anything backwards. You'll be surprised. I've had someone at my license to carry class load their bullet in the mag backwards. This video gonna be a little short. I'm not trying to make it too long or anything. Just want to show the folks who don't really know how to take apart their gun that it's not that hard. You get your barrel, you slide. Put your barrel in first. This black tip right here, you want to put it right here. And there's some wedges on the barrel. You want to make sure that you really get it popped on there. If y'all can see that. Oh, this like I said, not too much oil. You don't want to go crazy. Just a few drops here and there. I like to get my spring. A little bit in there. And you get your frame, your slide, match it up. Glock 21, 45 ACP. And you want to wipe all that excess oil off. And the takedown for most firearms, they're particularly most same. So you see that same thing on the 9mm. This is a Gen 2. This is usually my everyday carry, but I gotta make some repairs to this, so I got her sitting to the side right now. But y'all comment down below, let me know what's y'all's everyday carry. What do you prefer to carry? If you don't carry a gun and want to get a gun, comment down below what kind of gun you think about getting and the reason why you want to carry that gun. But yeah, man, takedowns ain't not that hard. They're very simple to do. You don't need someone to do it for you. You can do it yourself. It's just a little fear you gotta get over. Kind of like carrying one in the chamber, man. Y'all let me know. Was y'all scared when y'all started carrying one in the chamber? That can be a little scary, have a loaded gun sitting right on your leg or something. And yeah, if you got a lot of firearms, of course you want to try to clean most of them. If you have one firearm, you should definitely make sure that you're keeping that clean. It's your one and only firearm. But yeah, like I said, this is my Glock 17 Gen 2. I gotta make some repairs to it. I got some Fiachi glow sights on it. They say they're compatible with Gens 1 through 2, but these sights ain't doing it, man. That's not supposed to happen at all. You see that? Fiachi, man. Come on. This one kind of just been sitting there, so I know it's dirty. Huge difference just wiping it down. So you want to make sure you always scrub it too. These are full-size Glocks, so they kind of uncomfortable to carry a little bit, but carrying is not meant to be comfortable. It's meant to have your gun accessible in case you need it to defend yourself. But that's it for today's video. Appreciate y'all for watching. You know, like, subscribe. More content coming out soon. I'll be trying to get more shooting videos out. But today, clean y'all's guns, man. Keep them nice and clean. Yeah, remember, stay legal, stay safe.